So now in this MS project, we will see some of the shortcuts and then abbreviations and what it is like related to, we will see now. So for example, I am just clicking this cell in task name and I am just going to put A1 task, for example. Okay, it is by default like we having like manually scheduled. Okay. Okay, so if you want to convert this to auto schedule, we can just directly click from here. We have two options, manually schedule and then auto schedule. Otherwise, we can use the shortcut Control Shift A. When you are putting Control Shift and A, we are getting the task into automatic schedule or auto schedule. If you want to convert this to manual schedule, again you need to put Control Shift M. So these are all the two shortcuts for manual schedule and then auto schedule. See here also we can able to see, we can able to click also. So shortcuts, or we can able to use mouse clicks, otherwise we can able to choose from the drop downs. So for everything we have multiple choices. Okay, for example, we have typed something and then put enter to go to the next task. If you go to the previous task, so you need to click shift enter. So shift enter backwards and enter forward. So enter and then shift enter for backward. So I just here in this second task. So if you want to like modify this, you need to click F2. So just to put F2 and you can able to modify it. So shift enter for backwards and then F2 for editing. So we also have some menus and then ribbon here, right? So if you want to use shortcut for that also, you need to click Alt and then you need to choose whatever you want. For example, I need to check the project information, something like that. So I need to click Alt and then we need to choose the R. So R for project, and after we can just choose I for project information. So it will be open. So this is like a shortcut for project information. So Alt and then R and then I. So this is for project information. Now we can able to try this combination Alt or I. So directly, if you want shortcuts, you can able to like memorize these things. When we are working in this kind of software, we will be used to do that. So we will automatically remember everything. So it makes our work, our task simple. So that's what the advantage of shortcuts. So apart from Alt, we can also use F10. So you can also use F10 apart from Alt. So I am just clicking H, and if you want you can choose, otherwise you can able to click escape. And also important, like we have duration here. So here we have something, for example, I am putting 1M and then enter. So it will take us a 1 minute. So M for minute. So again I am putting 1H, it will take us 1 hour. So for that it is like displaying as HR. And I am putting 1D, this is for 1 day. And I am just putting 1W and it will take us a 1 week. So for week it is like displaying as WK, and we can also able to see in the Gantt chart, because it is like 1 week, like this is like having 7 days. So now for month I can't put 1M because 1M means 1 minute. So I need to put O, 1MO for 1 month. So we can able to see in the Gantt chart it is like displaying for 30 days. Even we can able to customize these things from options. So backstage view and then in options. So we can just go to advanced here, and here we can go for display option for this project. Here you can able to choose whatever you want. So this is like a display options. Even for hour we have, even for day we have, week, month, everything. But we can't able to modify it.